Hi there guys, this is Alvaro here. I hope this video finds you well, and I want to welcome you and thank you for taking the time to actually check this video out. I appreciate your time. So in today's video, I want to explain you what I do on a daily basis when I want to write an email and I simply can't come up with the ideas. So I'm going to give you 2 tips and hopefully you'll find it useful and put it to good use. So the first thing I will ever do is I will open a Google document, because if something happens whilst I'm typing or copying and pasting text, it gets saved automatically and I can get back to it later on. The second thing I will do is I will open up a Gmail account specifically to receive emails from other fellow marketers. So in this case, you can see here I've got 82,000 emails, and that has been just in about 2 months. So obviously I get a lot of emails. So what you want to do is scroll through all the emails you receive, look at the subject lines, and whatever gets your attention, just click on it. So for example, would you trade $13 for $363? That popped up to my eye. So we'll open it up and we'll simply copy and paste the subject line onto my document. That's the first one. Then I will look at the content to see if it's something I want to use, and if I like it, I will also copy it in my document. Then I will go back to my inbox. It's important is the inbox, because it got there for a reason, okay? So you got more chances for your own email not to land on people's spam boxes. So we'll go to another one. Usually what jumps is something with an emoji, so you can consider that. So this one, I will open it up, copy and paste it to my Google document. So the basic idea is, whatever gets your attention, copy and paste the subject line, do 4 or 5, and then copy and paste 2 or 3 emails, which content you actually feel it's relevant to your own audience. And then what you want to do is mix and match, use parts of one email, parts of another email, and just model it towards your own voice, towards your own personality. And voila, you've got an email that you can then send to other people. Okay, I wouldn't recommend you copy word by word, simply because it might not be the voice, as they call it. It's not your own voice, your own personality. You have to infuse your emails with your own personality as much as you can, really. That's way number 1. The second one is, which I prefer, by the way, is going to a website called viralurl.com. You can click on the link below and you get access to it. By the way, it's a very good website if you want to find leads for your own network marketing business, your own affiliate marketing business, because the people in this particular platform are also affiliate marketers, network marketers. So you are targeting people who are basically very hot in the marketplace, people who are looking, and people who understand the network marketing industry, they understand online businesses. They are already sold onto that idea. So when I send an email about my LiveGood business, people are not skeptical, people don't think it's a scam, people are open to actually check things out. But anyway, that's another story for another day. What you want to do, getting back to the point, is go on the left hand side of your dashboard. You will see where it says mailer. You want to click on the drop down menu, click on message center. Once you do that, you need to scroll down. Not yet, let me see. Okay, and now that we're in this page, you can see the last 200 messages sent by our members to a minimum of 3,000 other members. This is really cool. As I scroll down here, you can read the subject line, the open rank, so that means the emails that have the highest open rate. And then the click rank will show the emails that has the highest click rate. This is very, very interesting information. So what I will do, first of all, is I will click on open rank to put it in order. So it now shows from the ones or the subject lines that has the biggest open rate to the one that's the least. So it will go from 1 to 200. So again, I will copy and paste, right, this particular subject line onto my document. This one will be increase your LiveGood and release and sales with our massive advertising. So again, I will click on it. Actually, I don't need to click. I can just do this. So I could do then Control C. I will go to my document, and again, I will paste it there. Now, the next thing you want to do is, obviously, you can check the content, and if you like, you copy and paste into the document. The click rank is pretty good as well, 23. But what I want to do is click on rank, and now we'll be able to see the emails that had the best click-through rate. In this case, it's also a very similar one, so that will be this one. So I'm going to open it in this occasion. Okay, I had to pause the video because there seems to be a problem at the moment accessing this particular website, which is very strange. It's the first time this happens. But anyway, I'm going to give you an idea. Here in this box, you will see, just like an email, you will see the whole email. Again, you will be able to copy and paste it into your document. And again, model it to your own voice. Now, what I like about this, for example, this particular email should work pretty good because it's got a very high open rate. So that means many people are actually opening the email after the subject line. And once they open the email, people are clicking to the links inside the email. And that's a big one because the more clicks you get into your link, the more chances you have for people to visit your own business opportunity, your landing page, whatever you are promoting. So this is my favorite way actually, but I gave you 2 ways, guys, so you can choose either using emails or either going to viral URL and just create an account. It's free to do it. And if you want to promote your own business, it's a pretty good source for traffic, okay? Especially if you send emails every day. So with that said, that's all I have for you today. I hope you find it useful, put it to good use, and again, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and thank you again for taking the time to check this video out. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and share with other people, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.